Your current health situation doesn't determine where you end up. It just determines where you start. It starts with making the decision to get better. It starts with accepting the fact that there is no magic pill to solve your physical and emotional problems. It starts with you. Your daily choices create the life you currently live. They also create the life you've always wanted to live. What if the choices you make today set you on a path to live a life without pain, without fatigue, and without regret? What if these choices give you vitality, enthusiasm, and renewed hope? At the Chicago Institute for Health and Wellness, we believe that when you make this choice, you deserve a personalized healthcare plan and dedicated support team to guide you to your goals in an environment of integrity, effectiveness, professionalism, and exceptional care. Our motto is results-driven healthcare, because results matter. Anyone at any age, no matter what level of physical ability, can create a personalized plan that sustains them for a lifetime. Are you ready to get better? If you want something you've never had, you'll have to make a choice you've never made. The Chicago Institute for Health and Wellness. Answers, options, results.